We have some great workshops coming up in the next coming months. We have decided to revamp our CPD offer, and we're going to organize some really interesting workshops where you will have the help of a tutor in your own language, helping you mastering different techniques and different skills. We will start in September with mastering glossaries, how to create glossaries, what is a glossary, what is a word or a term, what should be in your glossary. And then we will divide you in groups per language with a language tutor to help you learn to research and get the best out of your glossary creation. Then we move on to October with mastering sight translation. We will have 2 classes per workshop, one for level 3, one for level 6, which enables you to choose the one that is appropriate for you. Either you're a student in the level 3 in community interpreting course, or you are aiming to go for the DPSI. So you would like to know how different and how challenging the texts are in the level 6. So you can attend both and have a go at it and have fun in the process and learn something. And then the last one will be mastering simultaneous interpreting, and that is for level 6 interpreters who are currently doing the DPSI course, for example. But if you have just finished your level 3, you can come in too and have a go at simultaneous and see what all the hype is all about. You might even enjoy yourself and feel like you want to start to learn about more about interpreting at level 6. So just go on our website and enroll and show your interest, book as many as you want, and who knows, maybe you will win a free webinar. Yes, we do have webinars too coming up in 2023. Once a month, we will be offering you different webinars from everything that we've offered before. And just to give you a taster, we have 2 planned before the end of the year on topics that are very, very timely. So stay tuned.